Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Something Went Wrong. Please try again. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just go on the search bar and here open command prompt. Okay, press enter. And here type this command ipconfig /flush DNS. And after that, just press enter. Okay, after entering the command, restart your PC. Now if it doesn't work, again open command prompt. This time type this command net sh winsock reset. This will reset your network settings. Now press enter, and after that enter this command net sh int ip reset. Okay, after entering both the commands, again restart your PC. Now also if it doesn't work, what you have to do, just go on any browser. Here download any one of these VPN. First one is Proton VPN and second one is Urban VPN. Download any one of these VPNs. Both of these VPNs are free. Just download it and connect to any server and try to log in into your Roblox account. Alright, this will fix your problem. If it doesn't, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.